back to the channel. Today we're talking about the 2025 Dacia Sandero. With a reputation for affordability and practicality, what can we expect from this latest model? Let's find out. First up, what makes the 2025 Sandero a must-see? Dacia aims to combine style with functionality, but how does it stand out in a crowded market? From its sleek design to a spacious interior, it promises a lot for a budget-friendly car. Now, let's discuss performance. Is it just a city car, or can it handle longer journeys too? With options for efficient engines, including a hybrid variant, will it offer a smooth ride and impressive fuel economy? How does it perform against rivals like the Ford Fiesta or Volkswagen Polo? The Sandero is designed for both city driving and weekend getaways, ensuring versatility without breaking the bank. Great insights. What about availability? Many potential buyers are curious. When can we get our hands on one? Early reports suggest it should hit showrooms in late 2024, but will demand outpace supply. And let's talk pricing. One viewer asks, how much will it cost? Initial estimates suggest a starting price around 12,000 euros. Is that a great deal for the features offered? So, is the 2025 Dacia Sandero worth considering? With its combination of affordability, style, and practicality, it might just be the perfect choice for budget-conscious drivers. What do you think? Excited about the new Sandero? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars. Until next time, drive smart.